AMC Upper Primary Question 23. The Australian Mathematical College, AMC, has 1,000 students. Each student takes 6 classes a day. Each teacher teaches 5 classes per day with 25 students in each class. How many teachers are there at the AMC? So there is 1,000 students in the Australian Mathematical College. Now, one student has 6 classes. But in each class, there is 25 kids. So, and each of these 25 children or students have 6 classes. Now, 25 students can be one group. Let's call it, so the 25 students is one class or one group. Let's call it one group. So there is 40 groups every session because 1,000 students divided by 25 gives us 40 groups. 40. And that's how many groups are happening in one session. There are 6 classes in an entire day. So this would be 1/6 of how many classes are happening. To find in a day, it's 40 times 6, which is 240 classes in the day. Now, in the 240 classes, there's teachers who only teach 5 classes. So 240 divided by 5 gives us 48. Now, and 48 teachers is the answer. The answer is B, 48 teachers.